What's up, it's your boy CJ here, back for you to another video. Today we're not going to be doing a tech video today, we're going to be doing a vlog, finally. The purpose of this channel was actually making vlogs, but then I turned around for a bit, so yeah. Anyway, today I'm heading to KL, which is... Ibu kota namanya apa?
Kuala Lumpur, Cik.
Ibu kota?
Ibu kota? Kuala Lumpur.
Ibu kota tu dalam English tu apa? Oh yeah, the capital of Malaysia. I legitly forgot what's the word for capital. Anyway, it's around 9:10 right now, and it's on 26th of January actually, and on a February second. Oh yeah, 3 more days till March already. Anyway, yeah, we're on the highway right now. We're about to enter we're actually past Lingi. So right now we're going to Kuala Lumpur, KL for the locals, by the way. I have not been to Kuala Lumpur for about a year, I guess, because of last year, a lot of stuff going on. Anyway, yeah, and I'll see you guys when we reach it. And the first thing that after we crossed the toll, we were greeted by an amazing thing. This. Freaking traffic congestion after we just passed the toll. Just amazing. Welcome to KL. Sorry by any chance if the audio quality is down, because I'm kind of vlogging on my phone right now. Anyway, I'm in Sungai One Plaza, as you can see. Anyway, I see my phone right now because my big camera is kind of fast to bring about. Yeah. Right now I'm just walking around trying to buy food. I bought a lot of stuff, so let's see what happens, eh? Aside from being the biggest freaking city in entire Malaysia, this place is freakingly confusing. I'm in Times Square right now. I literally just finished rounding the entire place for taking about 30 minutes, which is now I'm done, and I don't know why I'm not focusing right now, but anyway, yeah. It took me 30 minutes to just finish the entire Times Square, and Times Square is one of the biggest buildings, and it's noisy. And I literally went out the entrance 3 times before I actually found the freaking flyover pass, which is actually on the 2nd floor. Talk about a day. Here's something a little bit interesting. I just arrived at a small corner in Times Square, which I did not expect to have such an intricate and little cute space. I mean, this place is so cute, I cannot even tell you. And plus I haven't been here for quite a while, so yeah, check it out. This place is awesome and boring at the same time. This is awesome and boring. Awesome in the sense that there's a lot of things I could have. Boring in the sense that it has a lot overrated. So yeah. Shit is bright. Okay, better. Anyway, I just finished my lunch right now, and I'm kind of headed to Starbucks because I want to pick up some people and send them back to my mom's, and I'm probably gonna head back too because I'm getting bored. It's just in this area I'm getting bored. Probably I'm gonna take Grab and go somewhere else. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But now I'm headed to Starbucks, which is this one. I never can see that, but yeah, headed there right now, and hopefully my friends are here. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. It's nearly 7 o'clock right now, and I'm heading home back to Malacca right now, and about 3 hours have passed since the last B-roll, so a lot of things happened, and I will not go into details due to certain circumstances anyway. And yeah, it has been a fun day, and I'll talk to you guys more when we get back.